Hi guys, I am going to show you how to make some jerk chicken wings today using my all natural jerk seasoning blend that is made in small batches. So we're gonna get started with showing you how to make this recipe. This is a very simple recipe. You have about 6 pieces of wings. What I did was I broke them up into 2 pieces. So what I did earlier was I washed my chicken really good, rinse it off in cold water. You can add a little vinegar if you want to give it a good rinse. Once it's nicely washed and clean, we're gonna squeeze the lime juice on here. Just a half a lime is all I need. I just want to give it some citrusy flavor. I'm going to also use a little bit of salt because my jerk seasoning that I'm using doesn't have salt in it. Like I said, it's made from all natural ingredients, so no preservatives are in there, no salt is in there. So based on your taste, you can add your own salt level that you want, which for me, I'm adding about a teaspoon. And because I'm gonna make this in the air fryer, I'm gonna drizzle about, say, a tablespoon of sunflower oil on it, because I am gonna put it in the air fryer later once it's finished marinating and get it cooked up. You can also do it in the oven or on a grill if you like. So using my wonderful flavorful jerk seasoning that I created, I'm adding about 1 tablespoon. A little goes a long way, so probably a little less than 1, but let's see. I'm gonna say about 3/4 of a tablespoon is really all you need. Once you get that in there, give it a good mix with your hands. Don't wanna get your hands dirty. Grab a kitchen glove.
That night was incredible. So were the decibels. Couldn't hear my thoughts.
All right, so we used about 3/4 of a tablespoon of my jerk seasoning mix. We're going to go ahead and get this covered up and put it back in the refrigerator so it can marinate for about 30 minutes. And this is going to marinate, seep in, and give this wing some really amazing flavor. All right, guys, we're back. So we're gonna take our wings that are right here. We're gonna put them in the air fryer. And like I said, you could do this in the oven as well. So my air fryer pan has oil on the pan itself, so my wings don't stick. And then I'm gonna turn the air fryer on. There's a chicken setting on there, which is usually about 370. And I'm gonna cook them up for about 20 minutes. I like to check them halfway through the cooking process just to see how they're doing and flip them over so I get an even bake on both sides. Guys, of course, if you're using bigger pieces of chicken, it will take longer to cook, so pay attention and make sure you follow the cooking process for your meats. Use a thermometer. So there it is. Our wings are in the pan. We're gonna get these into the air fryer and bake them. All right, guys, here we are. 7 minutes left out of our 20 minutes. And I'm going to pause and check on my chicken and see the colors. And as you can see, they look really nice and beautiful. Right here, I'm gonna flip them over to the other side. So here we go, back into my air fryer. Bump it back up to 10, and I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, now take a look at these wings. They are all done. So again, really simple. If you want to make some sauce to go with this, you can, but basically this is your jerk wings. So again, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and see you next time. And don't forget, visit our storefront and grab a pack of those jerk seasoning packages. All right, and let me know what you think about the spice.